Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about different types of fabric and their uses. Fabric is the material that we use to make clothes, accessories, home decor, and many other things. But did you know that there are hundreds of different types of fabric out there, and each one has its own unique properties and uses? Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. The first category of fabric is natural fabric. Natural fabrics are made from natural sources such as plants or animals. They are usually breathable, soft, comfortable, and biodegradable. However, they can also be prone to shrinking, wrinkling, fading, or pilling. They may also require special care such as hand washing or dry cleaning. Some examples of natural fabrics are cotton. Cotton is one of the most popular fabrics in the world. It's made from the cotton plant's fibers and is soft, durable, and easy to wash. Cotton is great for making socks, t-shirts, underwear, and casual clothing. Linen. Linen is another plant-based fabric made from the flax plant's fibers. Linen is lightweight, breathable, and durable. It's perfect for summer clothing, bedding, and tablecloths. Wool. Wool is an animal-based fabric that's made from the hairs of sheep, goats, or other animals. Wool is warm, water-resistant, and resilient. It's ideal for making sweaters, coats, blankets, and carpets. Silk. Silk is one of the most luxurious fabrics in the world. It's made from the fibers produced by the silkworm. Silk is smooth, shiny, and soft. It's often used for making dresses, blouses, scarves, and ties. Leather. Leather is a type of animal fabric that is made from animal skins that are processed into leather. It is warm, luxurious, durable, and versatile. Leather also has a natural and unique texture and appearance that can add character and elegance to your garments. Leather also has a strong odor that some people may find unpleasant. It is great for making clothing, footwear, accessories, furniture, upholstery, bags, hat, gloves, belts, wallets, etc. Leather can also be combined with other fabrics or materials to create different looks and styles. The second category of fabric is synthetic fabric. Synthetic fabrics are made from man-made materials such as petroleum or chemicals. They are usually durable, strong, resistant to wrinkles and stains, easy to wash and dry, and inexpensive. Some examples of synthetic fabrics are polyester. Polyester is one of the most common synthetic fabrics in the world. It's made from petroleum-based materials and it can be blended with other fibers to create different effects. Polyester is often used for sportswear, jackets, and suits. Nylon. Nylon is another synthetic fabric that's made from chemicals. Nylon is strong, elastic, and resistant to abrasion. Nylon is often used for making stockings, swimwear, and parachutes. Spandex. Spandex is a synthetic fabric that's known for its exceptional stretchability. Spandex can be mixed with other fibers to add elasticity and comfort. Spandex is often used for making leggings, activewear, and underwear. Finally, let's talk about some blended fabrics. Blended fabrics are made from combining two or more different types of fibers to create a new fabric with improved qualities and different effects and designs. Some examples of blended fabrics are polycotton. Polycotton is a blend of polyester and cotton that combines the best of both worlds. Polycotton is durable, wrinkle-resistant, and easy to wash. Polycotton is often used for making shirts, pants, and bedding. Rayon. Rayon is a semi-synthetic fabric that's made from cellulose fibers derived from wood pulp or bamboo. Rayon is soft, breathable, and drapes well. Rayon is often used for making dresses, skirts, shirts, and pants. Denim. Denim is a blend of cotton and other fibers such as polyester or spandex, creating a sturdy fabric with a distinctive blue color. Denim is often used for making jeans, jackets, and other casual clothing. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new about fabric types and uses. I hope this video inspired you to try some new projects with different types of fabric. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. I upload new videos every 3 days a week about fabrics, sewing, and DIY projects.